So at this point, we all know how crazy the rally in Palantir stock has been, right? Have you guys been to what's it called? Six Flags Great Adventure. Here in New Jersey, we have a roller coaster ride at Six Flags called King Dakar. This roller coaster is insane. It shoots off 120 miles an hour and it goes in a straight line up. It peaks out at the top and then it collapses all the way down. Well, hopefully that doesn't happen at Palantir, the collapse on the way down. But on the way up, that is exactly how I feel right now with PLTR stock. It's insane. We were pretty flat at $20 for a couple of months. We started slowly climbing. Then all of a sudden, boom, just like that roller coaster at Six Flags, we went parabolic. And that is where we are now. It's at $60 a share. The stock is going crazy. And guys, we have to break it down. We have to cover the charts. What I'm looking to do, insider selling going on right now and some numbers in general. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and join the email list. Very important. I'm actually sending you guys for free my top 3 stocks every Monday. Make sure to sign up, guys, using that link in the description box, and let's get into it. So PLTR, man, just this past week alone, we went from $41 per share all the way to $58.90 as of the aftermarket on Friday. That is a move of over 42% in the green. And if I pull up this 1-year chart, we can see a year ago, less than that, 10 months ago, we were at $15 per share. That was where we were to start off the year. So we are now up around 250% from where we were at the low in January. Talk about that. Pretty crazy. And we have surpassed, like I've covered before on the channel here, guys, every price target that I've had for the stock. We've surpassed it. I had a $30 price target, $40 price target, $50 price target, and now we're pushing 60. It is insane. And the fundamentals of the company haven't been better. I mean, they keep on getting better. They're growing revenue faster than expected. They up their guidance. Their customer count keeps on growing. They closed a ridiculous amount of deals, over $1 million in the last quarter. I think over 100 deals. They keep getting deals. It is insane. And the stock is following suit, following the fundamentals. Again, as the fundamentals have never been better, now the stock has never been better, right? We're at all-time highs. We're pushing crazy valuations, and there's a reason for it, right? There's a reason for it. And you guys have been, some of you at least, leaving some comments, Stas, what are you talking about? We're not due for a sell-off. Why are you making these videos? I thought you were a bull. Guys, I'm a bull. I own the stock. I'm in the stock. I've been in it now, for quite some time, and I live in reality. And in reality, right, we have to see it for how it is. And at this point in time, we're pretty overbought, guys. Let's be freaking honest with ourselves. We're not going to keep going up every single day. We're due for a sell-off. And a lot of you guys know that. I mean, it's just a couple of you commenting like, Stas, oh my God, you're a bear now. I'm not a freaking bear. I'm not. I'm just calling for a pullback, some selling, some flat trading because we're due. We need it. We need it, guys. We got to sell off a little bit because this is just unsustainable. And we did see a bit of a sell-off. All I'm asking for is something similar to what we got before earnings. I mean, guys, PLTR was at $45 before earnings, and then we pulled down to $40, a $5 sell-off. Okay, not the end of the world, right? We sold off about 10, 11, 12%. All right, that's all I'm looking for here. If we pull down, think about it. If we pull down about 10%, whatever, we'd be down to about $52 a share, whatever it is, 50, I don't know, something like that. That'd be pretty good. That'd be a healthy spot for a pull down. And I guarantee you, well, I don't want to say I guarantee you. Nothing is guaranteed in the stock market, guys. Sorry about that. But I have a feeling if we were to pull down to anywhere from 45 to 50 bucks, right? 45 being a bigger pullback. But if we were to pull down, I feel like buyers will be waiting to flood in. I really think that. But for now, guys, I'm just sitting on my hands. I'm waiting for it. I deep down know it's going to come, a pullback. I know a lot of you guys think that as well. And I'm just sitting on my hands. And who knows? Maybe I'll buy more. Maybe I'll add more to my Palantir position if it sells off. And guys, people are looking to buy more. A lot of people are. But some insiders inside the company right now, they're actually selling. Let me show you guys some of these numbers here. Let me pull this up quickly. But first, actually, wait. By the way, guys, do not forget to get your free stocks for Moomoo. With at least a $100 deposit, you get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, it's a no-brainer, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your free money. Now, let me show you all the insider selling. So, if I make my big old head a bit smaller, there we go, beautiful. And I zoom in a little bit on what we actually want to see here, we can see there's been a couple of insider sales this month alone. And we just started November about a week ago, right? So on the 1st of November, a director, Alexander Moore, he sold out, let's see here, about 1% of his stake, nothing crazy. He sold 20,000 shares at $42 right before the run-up, man. That's rough. So he sold 20,000 shares at $42, about a $840,000 stake. All right, nothing crazy. It was about a 1% reduction of his position, and he still owns 1.4 million shares. So that's not that big of a deal. Karp, though, Alexander Karp, the CEO of the company, looks like he had sales, some options exercised. On the 5th, looks like Karp sold 12 million shares, 12.3 to be exact, at $52 a share. So he sold, $650 million of stock. Oh my goodness, guys, that is such a big chunk. Or about 66% of his position, right? So that came out on the 5th. That trade was on the 5th. I'm not sure when we got, okay, the filing date was on the 7th. So on Thursday or Friday this past week, either way, whatever day it was, we got that filing, the filing date or the file, or whatever. You guys know what I mean. We got the official document that he sold. And yeah, 66%. Boom. He sold out of a good chunk, about $650 million. That is insane. And then on the 5th, same day, we had Heather Planishek. I believe she's a director or not. I don't know. Either way, she sold 20,000 shares at $50 a share, 3% reduction of her position, about a $1 million sale. So we got some selling from her. And then Elena Lauren Friedman, whatever the heck her name is, she sold roughly 4% of her stake, $400,000 sale, 8,000 shares sold at $50 per share. So nothing crazy. These are all most likely under the 10b5-1 trading plan or trading rule, where insiders are able to sell at a predetermined price at predetermined levels, without, it being insider trading. It's them trading on public information, right? So yeah, that's what we got. The biggest sale by far and away being from Karp, selling $650 million. We had a sale plus options being exercised there. And as of now, Palantir, guys, is on a $133 billion market cap. So we have joined the 100 billion club here on PLTR, which I guess now in the era of, multi-trillion dollar companies, it's not that crazy anymore, guys. To be in a $100 billion company, it's not. But when I first started investing, trading stocks about a decade ago, at that point, there weren't any trillion-dollar companies. And I remember the first trillion-dollar company wasn't that long ago when that occurred. I believe it was, I forget actually. Was it Apple? Either way. I remember that was remarkable. $1 trillion. Now we have 3, 4 trillion-dollar companies. So yeah, I mean, 100 billion is not that big of a deal, but still pretty big milestone. I remember, heck, when I first started investing, man, some of the biggest companies were, 300 billion, 400 billion, 500 billion. That's still very big. Don't get me wrong. It's still very big. But that was the biggest back then. But now it's 3, 4 trillion. So yeah, milestones are being hit for Palantir, man. But honestly, I think there's still a long ways to go. A lot more, room for growth. And who knows, maybe they could be a $1 trillion company one day, guys. It's not too far-fetched. I think the company, the management team, the business model, I think this formula could be a $1 trillion company. I think that is where we could be going. And yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think in the comments down below. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the email list, all of that good stuff, and get your free stocks. I'm telling you guys, for Moomoo, fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 stocks and a $30 cash reward. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn 8.1%, up to 8.1%. Simply use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.